Welcome to CheapoHippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. eBay via Dyson USA has the refurbished Dyson DC34 cordless handheld vacuum for a low $99 plus free shipping, tax and TX. This is 50% less than buying it new. Up to 3 times faster than conventional motors. Root cyclone technology doesn't lose suction as you vacuum. Lithium-ion battery recharges up to 3 times faster. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube or visit our website at CheapoHippo.com.